Brayden is fascinated with the yogurt cup. I found his favorite new toy. Oh, he got it. That didn't even take much time to catch you. Come on, Brayden. You got it. Here, Brayden, look. Look. You come get it? Look where it is now. Brayden. Come get the yogurt cup. There you go, baby. You can do it. You can do it. You got it. Good job, buddy. Good job. Does it taste good? Too easy, huh? Too easy. How about this? With the rainbow caterpillar. He's trying to use the yogurt cup as a tool to get there. What are you going to do, baby? You going to get that rainbow caterpillar? Don't lose your yogurt cup, whatever you do. Yay! You got the rainbow caterpillar. Good job, buddy. Good job. It's over there. The yogurt cup is new, so it's very exciting. You can see if there's any yogurt left in it, which there's not. Mommy washed it out really clean. Maybe you can catch the caterpillar with the yogurt cup? Uh-oh, where'd it go? You better get it. Don't let it roll away. What about this? What if we add a third toy? That's a turtle. You want the turtle? Oh, sweetheart. You are so